Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Docker and an app image. Now get Ngrok ready. First, add your Ngrok auth token to the host with Ngrok config add auth token or environment variable so tunnels authenticate. Next, create a simple Docker compose. IML that runs your app on an internal port, for example 8080. Once done, ensure the container starts with Docker Compose upd so you have a running service to expose. Make sure to map the app port in Compose for predictable routing. Now you connect Ngrok to your running container. You can run Ngrok as a separate container on the same Docker network and point it at container 8080 or run Ngrok on the host targeting localhost 8080. Use Ngrok HTTP 8080 region equals us and include your auth token in a mounted Ngrok. IML for consistency. Once the tunnel starts, Ngrok will provide a public URL and an inspect console. Make sure to use the container name or published host port so traffic routes correctly through Docker networking. Finish by validating the public endpoint and locking down access. You should test the Ngrok URL from a separate device to confirm external reachability, then persist the Ngrok. IML and Docker Compose configuration so restarts keep the tunnel. Once satisfied, consider reserved domains or basic auth to secure traffic. If something goes wrong, first check that the container is listening on the expected port, then inspect Ngrok logs and Docker logs. Make sure firewalls or host port bindings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.